Good morning. This is Deanna with your Fun Fact Friday. I have a gift for you, but only if you open it right now. So imagine receiving a gift and having it taken away from you before you even have the chance to unwrap it. This could be happening in the very near future to everyone who is about to miss out on the opportunity to refinance. Rates are incredibly attractive and provide you with an opportunity to save a very meaningful amount of money on your mortgage every single month. But any positive news about progress on the pandemic will likely cause rates to move higher. In addition, the Federal Reserve has told us that they're going to be more lenient on inflation. That's important because higher inflation causes mortgage rates to rise. So there's a good chance inflation will continue to move higher, especially as the economy recovers. Demand for goods and services will increase first, but supply and labor are going to lag for a period of time, causing prices to rise. The potential spike in inflation could mean that the mortgage rates will become less attractive, and they don't need to move dramatically for the gift of low rates to be much less beneficial. So I know that I've talked about refinancing for a while, but really and truly now is the time, because this is going to change sooner than later. Don't wait. Give me a call today, and don't let anything take this gift away from you or your friends and family. I'm Deanna Morgan, and this has been your Fun Fact Friday. See you next week, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.